Gilded app. The pros, the cons. Gilded is a modern platform designed to make investing simpler and more transparent, but does it really live up to the hype? Starting with the pros first, ease of use. Gilded has an intuitive dashboard that allows investors to monitor their portfolios, track gains and set financial goals without getting overwhelmed. Second, automation. The app can rebalance portfolios automatically based on your risk profile, which is ideal for hands-off investors. Third, transparency. You can see exactly where your money is allocated, including detailed asset breakdowns and historical performance. Now, the cons. One notable drawback is limited investment options. Gilded primarily focuses on ETFs and mutual funds, meaning you won't be able to invest in individual stocks, crypto, or alternative assets. Another downside, fees. While reasonable, management fees can add up over time, especially if you're investing larger amounts. The surprising truth? Gilded is perfect for beginners or those who want a simplified investing experience, but active traders may find it too restrictive. In conclusion, the pros: simplicity, automation, and transparency make Gilded appealing for investors looking for a low-maintenance platform. The cons: limited options and fees make it less attractive for experienced investors seeking more flexibility.